Have you ever stopped to think that the device in your hand right now might be slowly rewiring your brain and ruining your life? Because here's the truth. The average person checks their phone over 2,600 times a day. That's not a typo. Over 2,000 times. And yet, no one's talking about what this is actually doing to us. This isn't just about screen time or digital addiction. This goes deeper. This is about how your phone is quietly destroying your attention, your relationships, your self-worth, and yes, even your future. And it's not your fault. Big tech has spent billions to make your phone impossible to resist. Engineers literally designed these apps to hijack your brain's reward system. And you're not even aware it's happening. Let me show you how. In 2007, something changed. The iPhone was released. At first, it felt like magic. All your music, messages, the internet, right in your pocket. But behind the sleek design and user-friendly interface was something far more dangerous. An attention casino. And you were the jackpot. Let me introduce you to Jake. Jake was a high school student. Honor roll, athlete, socially active. Then he got his first smartphone. At first, it was harmless. Group chats, games, checking Instagram. But within a year, something had shifted. Jake started staying up late, scrolling endlessly, jumping between apps, searching for something. He didn't even know what. He was constantly tired. Grades slipped. He pulled away from his friends. He couldn't focus in class. But here's what really broke him. One day, he checked his phone 312 times. In one day. He didn't remember most of it. It was like blacking out, except with your eyes open. What Jake experienced wasn't an accident. It was the result of a perfectly engineered system designed to keep him glued to the screen. And the worst part? This is happening to everyone. Not just teenagers. Let's break down exactly what your phone is doing to you. First, your brain is being trained for dopamine on demand. Every notification, every like, every scroll gives you a hit of pleasure. But the more you get, the more you need. Just like a drug. Second, your ability to focus is being destroyed. Studies now show that just having your phone in the room lowers your cognitive performance, even if it's off. And third, and this is the scariest part, your sense of self is being replaced by a digital version of you that's curated, filtered, and obsessed with validation. You're not living for yourself anymore. You're living for the screen. Now here's the million-dollar question. Can you undo the damage? Yes, but it's not easy. You'll need to go against the grain, reject the default, and rewire your brain. Here's how to start, in just 3 steps. Step 1. The 24-hour detox. Before anything else, you need to see clearly. Turn your phone off. Not airplane mode, not silent, office. Do this for 24 hours, and don't panic. This isn't forever, but it will feel like withdrawal. That's normal. You're breaking a loop. Use this day to do something analog. Read a book, take a walk, journal. Let your brain breathe. You'll be shocked at how long a day actually feels when you're not checking your phone every 2 minutes. Step 2. Reclaim control. When you come back, you're not going to use your phone the same way again. Start by deleting the apps that hijack your attention. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, gone. If you use them for work, reinstall them on a separate device. Make it inconvenient. Next, turn off all notifications except calls and messages from real people. Your phone should serve you, not the other way around. Also, move all your apps off the home screen. Make your phone a tool, not a trap. This one change can reduce your screen time by hours a day. Step 3. Design a life you don't need to escape. from this is the big one. Because your phone addiction isn't just about the phone. It's about boredom, loneliness, stress, avoidance. You scroll not because you want to, but because you're trying not to feel something. So fill your life with things worth paying attention to. Start a hobby. Learn a skill. Call people instead of texting. Go on walks. Build real-world routines that make you feel alive. Because the goal isn't to just use your phone less. It's to build a life so rich, so fulfilling, that you forget to check it. Jake eventually did this. He deleted every social media app for 90 days. He journaled daily, started exercising again, rebuilt his relationships, and most importantly, he got his mind back. Now he checks his phone just a few times a day. He's not perfect, but he's free. And you can be too. Your phone isn't evil, but it is dangerous if used without awareness. It can be your greatest tool, or your biggest trap. The choice is yours. If this video opened your eyes, imagine what else you haven't noticed. Because the same companies that hijacked your attention, they're now targeting your sleep. Yes, your phone may be secretly ruining your sleep cycles without you even knowing it. Want to know how? Click on the next video and prepare to be disturbed. And hey, if any part of this resonated with you, drop a comment and tell me what you're going to change today. Don't just scroll to the next thing. You deserve better than that. Your future self will thank you.